Without wasting time today, we're going to be discussing the top 5 programming languages to learn in 2025. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a bonus tip. Follow me as we go along. Number 5 is Go, which is also known as Golang. Why learn it? Go is known for its simplicity and efficiency, making it ideal for building scalable and high-performance applications, particularly in cloud services and distributed systems. Use cases: Go can be used for backend development of cloud services, and DevOps tools. Trends: Go is gaining popularity for its role in cloud-native applications and microservices architecture. So guys, Go is a very good language to learn. So we can see, according to the TOEIC index for Go, which is based on internet search, popularity and usage, we can see that from 2016, there was a sharp increase. That's to 2017, and by 2018, it declined a bit and maintained a good trend till 2024, where it actually went up again, and entering 2025, we are supposed to see the trend go up further. So guys, look out for Golang. So the next on the list is JavaScript. We all know JavaScript is a very popular language. So JavaScript remains essential for front-end development, enabling dynamic and interactive web interfaces. With the advent of Node.js, it's also widely used in back-end and full-stack development. So let's also look at the use case for JavaScript. JavaScript, as we all know, is mostly used for front-end development, and you can also use it for full-stack development, with the tools like React and Vue.js. So JavaScript maintains its strong presence in web development, with frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js enhancing its capabilities. So if we look at the trend for JavaScript, we can see over the years it has maintained a very regular trend, because JavaScript has been there. There's a lot of framework that comes out every time, and there's a lot of improvement on JavaScript. So I think the only successor for JavaScript will probably be Web3, which is still not mainstream yet. So JavaScript is still gaining its popularity, still maintaining its lead at the moment. So we can see that from 2022 towards 2024, we can see an upward trend in the usage of JavaScript. So let's go to the next one, which is Java. Why use Java? Java is a robust object-oriented language, widely used in large-scale enterprise applications, Android app development, and backend systems. Use case for Java is used to develop backend applications, used for mobile applications also, and Java is mostly used in most of the enterprise solutions that we'll see out there today. So trends: Java still remains strong in the industry, being a foundational language for many enterprise level application. So if we look at the trend for Java, we can see that it's not looking good from 2002, but when we see going to 2015 to 2016, there is an high usage, then it dropped again. So it keep dropping and dropping. So the usage is actually dropping. But we can see that in 2024, the trend is starting to go up. So I think we can relate this decline in usage to different backend languages that are coming up now. And I think the most important competitor for Java is C Sharp, that I use personally in my day-to-day work. And also we have Golang, you have Rust. So there's a lot of competing languages that are actually matching up to Java standard these days. So the next one is C++. Why learn it? C++ is known for its performance and is extensively used in system or software development, game development, and performance critical applications. So use case for C++, so it's used for system programming, game development, real-time simulations, and so on. So trend for C++, in 2025, C++ continues to be relevant, especially in areas requiring high performance and real-time processing. So if we take a look at the trend for C++, we can see that from 2020, we can see an upward trend, and it came down around 2023. Then going to 2024, we can see that it's appreciating again. So, which is fair enough. C++ still maintain its lead, in system programming, basically. So I don't think anything can beat it at the moment. So the next one on the list is the king, the future, and the present, Python. So Python facility and ease of learning make it a top choice for backend development, data science, and machine learning. Its extensive libraries and frameworks such as Django and Flask facilitates rapid development. And use case for Python is used for backend development, like I mentioned, with the use of Django and Flask framework. And it's also used for data analysis, used for machine learning applications, and also AI. So trend, Python continues its multi-year domination, being a preferred language for AI and data-driven applications. So with Python, you can build a lot of AI applications. And yes, so Python is so easy to, like AI is so easy to integrate, with Python. And I think Python is the language of the future. Can we say that? Am I allowed to say that? Okay, you can tell me in the comment section. So now going to the bonus tip that I have for you. But before that, let's look at the trend. So we can see that since the boom of AI, GPTs and large language models, from 2024, 2016, 18, 2022, and we can see that in 2024, it actually just shoot up, skyrocketed up to the roof. So I think at the moment, Python is the only language for AI development, basically. So it will be a very good one to learn. But like I said at the beginning of the video, that I have a tip for you. So which is the upcoming king of languages? So let's go, guys, without wasting time. Prompt engineering. Why learn it? Prompt engineering is becoming increasingly important with the rise of artificial intelligence and natural language processing models. It involves crafting inputs to guide AI models effectively, enhancing their output for various applications. Use case is used for developing AI-driven applications, improving AI-human interactions, optimizing AI model performance. Trends. The field is evolving with trends like automated prompt generation, multimodal AI, and personalized interaction. making it a critical skill in artificial intelligence development and everyday life. So AI is as good as the prompt that you give to it. And what is prompt itself? Prompt is the set of instruction that you actually give to large language models. So the better or well crafted your prompt is, the better the prompt that the language model would generate for you. I think 2025, 2026 is the year of prompt engineering. So even software engineers are told to actually start learning prompt engineering, because already I use GPTs to help with my day-to-day activities. And I think as the year progresses, you see more of GPT helping out and helping you to focus on the real work instead of the boilerplate. So prompt engineering, I think, should be the king of all, but probably not yet. But by 2026, definitely prompt engineering will be the king of languages, because everyone will just have to use it, because almost everything will be tied to the prompt that you give to your generative models. So thank you guys, for watching. As always, like and subscribe, and you will see more of this type of video from me. And let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And also, I think my next video will be about going deep into each of those languages and telling you the industries that actually use them, and also the applications that currently use them. So you'll be able to know where to employ those languages after learning them. See you guys later. Bye.